Oh, wow.
You've got mail.
Oh, an email from David Cutter. Let's see, he writes, "Dear Mr. Condenser, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dave, and like you, I have a home audio enthusiast YouTube channel called My Own Devices." Oh man, this guy doesn't need to introduce himself. I've been a fan of David Cutter for decades. He's really one of my favorite all-time artists. Let's see, yeah, and his YouTube channel is pretty cool too. I wonder why he's writing. "I've watched many of your YouTube videos and have been most impressed by your apparent broad knowledge and nimble skills in the area of electronics restoration and amplifier kit assembly." Wow, so he's a bit of a fan of me as well. Very cool. "Your videos have excellent production values and your presentation style is unique and compelling." I knew he was a smart guy. "I am recently in possession of an amplifier kit of a design similar to the Dynaco ST-70 tube amp. I inadvertently ordered a kit instead of an assembled unit and am considering my options." Well, maybe he's not that smart after all. "I propose that we team up and collaborate to produce a series of videos. I ship the amp to you, you build it, ship it back, and then I give my impressions. What do you think?" Well, I think that's a great idea. Oh, wow. All right, Dave, your package arrived here safely in the Great White North. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel, Flux Condenser, to see me turn this box of parts into that great sounding vacuum tube amp you've been searching for. Okay, and here's that box of parts. Let's build this thing. Actually, I'll do that in my next video, so stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe to receive an update when I release new videos. And if you like what you see, leave a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to do the same for Dave at his My Own Devices YouTube channel. He's got a great video there explaining how this project came to be as well. So check it out, and I'll see you soon. Looking for a shiny new gadget for your bench? Some good books on electronics, vintage hi-fi, or old radios? Indispensable tools, cleaners, or other products? Check out my new Amazon shop and help the channel. Lots of great products I actually own, use, and recommend, plus my thoughts on each one. Link in the description. To stay updated, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notifications when I release new videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you soon.